Hey, my YouTubers, Janine here, and I'm back with the simple, old-fashioned macaroni salad. Great for Super Bowl Sunday, along some sliders, ham sandwiches, whatever, Subway, subs, big 6-footers. But what's simple about it is I took most of the prep out. The whole recipe takes about 30 minutes, 20 minutes prepping. And what I did to speed it up, because you know how to boil eggs and the pasta, no need to sit and watch me boil water for that. This uses what changed it for me. It's a game changer. Instead of your regular elbows, which, you know, we all get tired of, this uses Ditalini. You don't think it would make much a big change, but it does. It's a different bite, it's a different look, and it's fun. I like it. I made it for 2 parties and got several requests for the recipe. I got it off Pinterest a couple of years ago, and I've been using it ever since. It's old-fashioned macaroni salad. It's 2 cups of Ditalini boiled. Then it calls for 4 hard-boiled eggs, but I use 3. I cut it back a bit, and you'll modify things and make it your own as well, because these suck up a lot of the, and that's okay. They look yellow better than over with the green skin. These are cooked for 9 minutes, which is perfect. Just chop them up. If you want to cook them a little longer, do that. Don't worry about mine. I always tell you, like even with the pasta, it's a preference. A lot of people like theirs al dente. A lot of people like their eggs green, actually, green edge, because they don't want any yellowness. But this is going to turn into a delicious, not overcooked, creamy egg addition. It's cooked through. Don't worry about that. And try to get them. Again, you chop them as small or as big as you like. I kind of like mine a little, you know, I don't like big. All right, I'm trying to be delicate here for you, but that's not going to happen, okay? I said it. I want to drop stuff, break stuff, and how did that go with the cookies? Did you see me? My dough was sticking. Thank you for anybody who sat through that, because it was a little painful for me to watch. I laugh still, and there's so many of them that when I started, I just appreciate all of you subscribing and liking and watching. Thank you very much. Okay, so I think that's good enough. Like I said, you could cook your eggs longer. You could add the 4 instead of 3, but I stuck to 3 because we all know this is going to suck up that mayonnaise, and I don't like a lot of excess mayonnaise in my macaroni salad. Okay, so that's the first component. Now, the hardest. Then we got, it says 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. Again, they said hold back on the mayo because you may not like that much. Again, you got to modify it or say, hey, it's too dry, or hey, I think that's quite enough. We'll see as we're doing mine. But they do require that much mayonnaise because eggs, when you put them, and that's another old-fashioned style. I like eggs in my macaroni salad. That's why this recipe stood out to me. I love the difference in the pasta. I love eggs. It's like combining egg salad and pasta, 2 of my faves for summer. Okay, it's going to get color. Don't worry about that. See, we didn't even put the whole thing. We're at a little bit more than 3/4 of a cup. And look, but as it sits in the fridge, we all know what happens. Okay, it said this looks like quite a bit, but it's only 2 stalks of celery. Get that in. Only 2 stalks. A tablespoon of onion powder. I like to clean as I go. I'm fanatical with that. Okay, tablespoon of onion powder. Salt and pepper to taste. You know, I don't put a lot, so today's going to look like a lot because that's just that. That'll soak up too. Now I think it's a good time. I did my spices and I said, why do I have white pepper? This is perfect for white pepper. You don't want to see the black in the macaroni salad. About a teaspoon, half teaspoon I put maybe. Okay. Then let's see if we get the rest of the mayonnaise in here for now. This way I could get rid of this cup, not have it in my way. And I have the squeeze bottle. Honestly, I'm giving Duke's a try. I'm a Hellman's girl from way back, and I mean the taste is good. I don't like it seems thinner than Hellman's. I think I'm going to go back to Hellman's and get the one made with olive oil because I'm in search of a healthier mayonnaise, if there is such a thing. I want to try. But that's what I'm using in case you're looking and wondering. Okay, we did that. 1.5 tablespoons of mustard. Let me get a small teaspoon to get this off of here. And then I have an ingredient. I'm a little bit childlike and can't wait to tell you and show you. Be nice, don't laugh. Okay. Let's mix up a little bit more. I like the mustard in it. I like the tang it gives. You know, see? Got to really get that in there well. It adds such a nice tang to macaroni salad. See, when I wanted the mac and cheese to make that slushy sound on camera, it wouldn't. I love a good chilled macaroni salad. A little sandwich, not much else, a piece of chicken. I'm simple. It's one of my favorites. Oh, and the recipe calls for, let me look on the paper here. Having fun with you guys. 4 whole green onions. Oh, I didn't go out to the supermarket and get any. Oh, have I been growing them on my windowsill and telling everybody that they regenerate? They're amazing. They're crazy. Now's the perfect time to show you. Let's move this over here. Let's get this ready for cutting. Let me get my knife. This is wild. This is a mind blower to me. When I learned this, I went like, what? They regrow. You just keep changing the water every 3 days, which I do. I bought these about 3 weeks ago. Now I need 4. Let's show you so you know how to do what's necessary. As they grow this long, this would be the old part of it. You take this off and it's like a brand new onion. Right all the way down to the root. Get that extra skin off. See? Pull that all the way off. And you have 1 of 4. So that's 1. Let's see. I don't think I'm going to need 4, to be honest with you. Green parts and white parts. That looks fine, just the way it is. Let's start chopping them up. I don't like a lot of onions, so we'll see. Look at these. See now, if you needed chives, I believe the small part would be chives. Let's chop them up. So don't cut yourself on camera. That wouldn't be fun. I think I'm going to stick with just 2, guys. I'm not a big green onion person. I'm really not. But this is more so to show you. It's very cool that they grow on your windowsill. You never run out of them. And if you like me and you don't use them for a lot of recipes, you want them sitting there. You know? Who wants to have to run out for these? And they're very inexpensive. I think they're under $1 still for a bunch. And it says green and white parts. Onion, 2, finely chopped. White and green parts, finely chopped, 4 whole. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. See, I'm going to throw that out right there. And that's it. 2 is good for me. Okay. That's a preference thing. Put that right in. They've been on the windowsill. Natural, organic, untouched. Okay. Get that little green one in. And we don't need that. Okay. And I believe there you have it. Let's change to a bigger spoon. Oh, and the finishing garnish. Let me not forget paprika for color. You could add a little dill, which I'm gonna, it's in every salad that I enjoy. I put it in my egg salad, I put it everywhere. Just a real little bit, not much. Gives you that salad taste, the dill. It's like I put it in my, this was actually gonna be my deviled eggs, but then I changed course because I'd like to eat this. And I told you, we get our own food. I buy everything. It's our real food that we eat and enjoy and share with you. Okay, see now I think like the recipe says and calls for, now because we have to chill it and it's going to suck up all the excess mayonnaise, or so we think, I would hold off. Start with the 1 cup and then let's say you put it in the fridge for 6 hours before your party tomorrow, or you're going to put it out on the table. That's when you would add the extra mayonnaise to, excuse me, I'm anything on my hands, want to revive it, so to speak, and get that, this is the crown and glory here. Without this, you don't have much of a color. Okay, you see the celery barely, and the green onions. But there you have it. Old-fashioned macaroni salad with the simple twist of the Ditalini. You think it wouldn't make a difference changing the pasta, but for me, it made a tremendous difference. I absolutely love this salad now. It's my go-to macaroni salad. I hope you make it. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned because today I'm going to try to get out another recipe because I took a day or two off. Okay? I'll see you guys soon.